Hey, welcome to Coconut Courses Contact Pics. Glad you could join us. Today we're talking about contact pics, and actually we're talking about tricking out your contact pics. Translation, making your contact pics look nice. Why would you want to do that? Well, when you get your contacts into your phone, they all come with a gray circle, the initials of your first name and last name of the contact, and they all look the same. So in order to differentiate or to tell the difference between contacts, we can actually trick out the contact pic. We can add color and pictures, photos of the person, or a cartoon image that will help you find your contacts faster. So it's adding that personal touch and they look fantastic. All right, let's trick out some contact pics. Head into your Contacts app. If you don't see it right away, just swipe down and in the search bar, type Contacts. Press. Now, Connie's is really boring, a gray circle and her initial. Let's head into the Edit menu and you can click anywhere up here. These are our current default choices, so I could, in other words, I could change the gray circle to a purple, blue, etc. Or I could take a photo of Connie, or I can go into the photo gallery, find a picture I already have and add that. So I'm going to show you that right now. Once your photo comes in, you can move and scale it. And in this way you could, if Connie was in a group of people, you could zoom in just on Connie. So I'm just going to center it like that and press Choose. I can change the filter out, so just changes the color slightly, and then press Done. It's in my gallery of choices. I can go and add Memojis, so if I have one that already looks like Connie, I can choose it from the list. I can go into the plus button here to make one, so that takes a little bit of time. I can also go into this More menu, some cool animal ones, so let's check out this one. There's some cool expressions. Next, and again, it's the same principle as before. Move and scale it. Choose. Now, the only other thing I can do is select the background color. So now it's one of my choices for Connie's contact picture. Following that are all the emojis. So these are the suggested ones. And if I go into the plus menu, you'll have all of yours there. Okay, so there's our choices for Connie. I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to assign it to her contact information and press Done. And then I have to press Done again. Now, if I go and message Connie, you'll see that it shows up here. So it easily shows me who I'm talking to. And that's really handy, especially if you have a lot of text messages on the go and it's difficult for you to see the name of the person at the top. You'll always see their picture. Go ahead, select a contact and see if you can trick it out. Please hit subscribe below so you receive new videos as they're posted. Visit our website, coconutcourses.com, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Coconut Courses. We give you tech tips so your kids don't have to.